So I just came across this new system called PageIndex, and it claims to be the world's first human-like document analyst. Like, what does that even mean?
Right? It's intriguing. It focuses on relevance over similarity in retrieving information from long documents. That's a game changer.
Exactly. Traditionally, vector databases use semantic similarity, but PageIndex emphasizes reasoning. Wait, doesn't that kind of shift the entire framework?
Totally. It's like moving from a surface level understanding to a deeper, more context-aware level of comprehension. But how does it actually work?
Well, it builds a hierarchical tree index from documents, simulating how human experts navigate complex texts. That's wild.
And it performs retrieval in two steps, first creating a table of contents-like structure, then reasoning through that index. That's pretty sophisticated.
Right? It's like having a personal guide that knows exactly where to look in a long, convoluted report. But could it really match human intuition?
Good point. Human intuition is nuanced. PageIndex aims for that level of reasoning, but it might still fall short in some ambiguous situations.
That's a valid concern. We can't underestimate the subtleties of human judgment. How does it perform against traditional systems?
It boasts a remarkable 98.7% accuracy on the Finance Bench benchmark. That's impressive, but you have to wonder about the edge cases.
Yeah, edge cases could be where it struggles. Still, the idea of no chunking or vector reliance is refreshing. How does that even work?
It uses the document's structural organization instead of breaking it into chunks. That could lead to a more coherent understanding.
But isn't there a risk of losing context if everything is too interconnected? It might become overwhelming.
True, the connections could lead to confusion if the retrieval isn't precise. The transparency of the retrieval process is crucial.
Definitely, knowing how it arrives at answers might help users trust the system more. They call it transparent retrieval.
That's a great feature. It contrasts starkly with the often opaque nature of traditional vector searches. But can it handle all document types?
From what I read, it's built for complex documents like financial reports and technical manuals. But what about less structured formats?
That's where their OCR comes in. PageIndex OCR is designed to maintain the document structure while extracting text.
Wow, so it's not just about analysis, but also about accurately reading the content. That's impressive.
Absolutely. It's like having a smart assistant that reads and understands the document just like a human would.
So essentially, it's a blend of sophisticated indexing and reading capabilities. But does it really outperform existing OCR solutions?
According to their claims, it outperforms others in recognizing hierarchy and semantic relationships. That's pretty compelling.
But you know, claims can be tricky. We need to see real-world applications to validate those numbers.
Exactly. It's all about practical use. If it can consistently deliver in real scenarios, that's where it'll make its mark.
And if it can handle nuanced documents like regulatory filings, that could really revolutionize the field.
For sure, imagine the time saved in analyzing those dense reports. It's like giving professionals superpowers.
Haha, I love that analogy. But we should also consider potential downsides like reliance on technology for critical decisions.
Absolutely. Relying too much on any system can lead to vulnerabilities. There's a delicate balance to strike.
And if the system ever fails or misinterprets something, the consequences could be severe, especially in finance.
Exactly. This is why clear oversight and human involvement are so essential, even with advanced tech like PageIndex.
So in summary, while PageIndex presents a fascinating advancement in document analysis, skepticism is healthy.
Definitely, we should keep an eye on its performance while weighing the benefits against potential pitfalls.
I agree, it's all about finding ways to enhance human capabilities with technology, not replacing them entirely.
Absolutely, and I can't wait to see how it evolves. It could reshape how we interact with complex documents.
For sure, it's an exciting time in AI and document analysis. I wonder what the future holds for systems like this.
You know what's fascinating? This could lead to more specialized AIs for different domains, enhancing expertise across the board.
Right, and as they become more tailored, we might see higher accuracy and deeper insights in niche areas.
Exactly. But we must remain vigilant about the implications of such advancements on jobs and industries.
Definitely, there's always a balance to be struck between innovation and impact. What a thought-provoking discussion.
It really is. I feel like we've only scratched the surface. What will the next big breakthrough be?
I can't wait to find out. Let's keep this curiosity alive and see where technology takes us.
Absolutely. Until next time, let's stay fascinated by these advancements.